Meaning of generation.
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 Generation. The term generation can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to a group of individuals born and living around the same time period, sharing common experiences and cultural influences. In the field of technology, it often refers to the evolution of computing hardware and software, as well as broader technological developments. Such generations are typically marked by significant advancements in capabilities and features, leading to changes in how people interact with machines and the world around them. Overall, the concept of generations reflects ongoing progress and innovation across various domains.